want it, pick it up.
Throw your purse at him, Mikey.
Oh, the old throw your sword at him trick. I accidentally threw my sword. I haven't seen that one in a while.
The trick is that it's not.
Distraction technique.
The trick is that it's against yourself.
Gabe would technically be third right.
Two. You say two? Yes.
Really just threw your sword at him?
Yes, I did.
If it was a little harder, it would have counted.
Except for hit with the handle. And it was left-handed. I'm like, I don't throw left-handed, but screw it.
You fail at being Yoda.
You're up.
I didn't try.